Okay, so this is going to be very interesting. So I'm going to be doing Pinkie Pie. Not just any Pinkie Pie, but a kind of crittery looking Pinkie Pie. And the question is, would you like some cookies? Ah, yes, the cookie, one of Ponykind's greatest achievements. It is the cornerstone of modern society, the mark of civilization. Truly, to be an equestrian is to eat cookies. And class, today you are equestrians.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Or if I was to do it a different way. So, getting into Pinkie Pie's character and talking a little fast, so if I'm still Pinkie Pie and I'm talking fast, I'll be giving a fast lecture, and my fast lecture would sound like, ah, yes, the cookie, one of Ponykind's greatest achievements. It is the cornerstone of modern society, the mark of civilization. Truly, to be equestrian is to eat cookies. And class, today, you are equestrians.
That's your bad news.
I am so super duper honored to get this big shiny award thingy. You know, when I first started my psychic business, every pony told me it would be a terrible idea. And for the most part, they've been right, but look at me now! I'm making friends with monster ponies! How cool is that? I just want to thank the Multiverse Cruise for giving this Swoopy Award and all my new monster friends!
Oh my god, I did it!